Hello Year 7 and welcome to Drama. My name is Mrs. Harrell and I am Head of Drama here at Hannah Woods Academy. This term you will be exploring the Drama Toolkit. Today's outcomes. What? Discover the expectations for learning in the drama classroom. Explore different scenarios using still image. Why? To understand the rules when using a still image as a theatrical device. In drama, the rules for the classroom are to listen to the teacher, to make sure you are focused at all times, to be kind, helpful and specific when you are given feedback, and to work to the best of your abilities. The Drama Toolkit. When you're doing DIY, it's important that you have the right tool for the right job. It's just the same in drama. If you were going to have a go at fixing one of these to the wall, you wouldn't try and do it with one of these. What tool would you use? Have a think about it. It is the exact same thing in drama. There are different tools for different techniques, which are used for creating different types of drama. The first one we are going to explore is the still image. This is like a drama photograph. Like photographs, it's useful because it allows the audience watching to get a better idea of what's happening. You will start and finish all your performances in drama with a still image. Do you know why? Have a think about it. Pause the video here to gain some ideas. We start a performance and end a performance with a still image to signify to the audience when we are starting and when we are finishing. Here is a short video which further explains what a still image is and how to use it.
To make a freeze frame, students simply use their bodies to represent characters or objects. Freeze frames can be made by individuals, small groups or even the whole class. A good way to explain a freeze frame to students is that it's like pressing the pause button on a remote control or making a statue. In the video that you're about to see, I have asked the students to make 3 freeze frames showing the key points of a well-known fairy tale. You could use any story for this activity, or even a factual description of an event, situation or location. I won't tell you what the story is. See if you can work it out for yourself.
Picture number 1. Audience, open your eyes. And close. Move into picture number 2. Open. And close. Open. Well done, shall we give them a clap?
So, did you guess what the story was? Well, it was Cinderella. I'll show you the freeze frames again. Did you notice that I said open your eyes and close your eyes several times? I was telling the audience to close their eyes while the group got into position and to open them when the group was ready. The reason for this is that groups can sometimes take a while to get into position, especially if the students are young people or children. This can look messy, so asking the audience to open their eyes when the group members are in position makes each freeze frame much clearer. It also helps those in the group as they know exactly when to freeze.
There are 2 other names for a still image. Do you know what they are? Pause the video here to gain some ideas. And the 2 names are a freeze frame and a tableau. When creating a still image, there are 6 rules that you should use. No talking, no moving, clear facial expressions to help show the audience how you're feeling, different heights to make your performance interesting, no blocking, which means no standing or sitting in front of another person, and make sure you face the audience the whole time. Task. Using the following scenarios, Practice using the rules of a freeze frame to create a frozen picture on stage. Number 1, party. Number 2, wedding. Number 3, football match. Number 4, grocery shop. And number 5, roller coaster. You'll have some time to practice these, and once you've practiced them, you will show each one to the class, and you will be given 5 seconds to get from one still image to the next. Remember to use all the rules to help make your still image successful. You will have some time now, so your teacher will pause the video here for you to rehearse your still images. Performance and evaluation. In drama, when a group performs, you must be a quality audience, which means that you are listening, you are not talking, and whilst the performance is happening, you are thinking about what was positive about the performance and what perhaps could be changed or added to improve the performance. You will then be asked to give feedback. You will use the thought stems to help you evaluate the performances. Here are those thought stems. The group successfully used the following rules. To improve, the group needs to use more, and then think about what rules they need to use. Pause the video here to perform and evaluate performances.